today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect with others on Pinterest and effectively follow people's profiles to stay updated with their latest pins and ideas. Pinterest is a fantastic platform where you can discover and save creative ideas. And following other users is a great way to build your network and get inspired. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Pinterest's website. You'll want to log in if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, you can explore the many different categories and themes available. However, if you have a specific person in mind that you want to connect with, you'll want to use the search bar located at the top of the page. Enter the name or username of the person whose profile you're interested in visiting. This gives you a direct route to their gallery of boards and pins. After you've found the profile you're looking for, click on it to enter their Pinterest world. Here you will see all their carefully curated boards and the pins they've saved. It's a great way to get a feel for their interests and aesthetics. Now, according to Pinterest's current setup, there isn't a direct add friend button like you'd expect on other social networking sites. Instead, Pinterest uses a simpler, less formal way to keep you in touch with others, which is by following. When you follow someone on Pinterest, you're essentially saying, "Hey, I really like your taste and I want to see more of what you're pinning." To follow someone, simply locate and click on the Follow button. This button is usually prominently displayed near the top of their profile page. Once you click it, any new pins or boards they create will start appearing in your home feed. This ensures you're always up to date with the ideas and inspirations they're sharing. It's a seamless way to integrate their creative energy into your Pinterest experience without needing to send a friend request or wait for approval. And that's really all there is to it. Following someone on Pinterest opens the door to a world of new ideas and inspiration and keeps your feed fresh and exciting. By exploring and following various profiles, you can continually refine your tastes and expand your creative horizons. Plus, it allows you to build a community of like-minded pinners and gather endless inspiration for your own projects. So there you have it, a straightforward way to connect with others on Pinterest. By following these easy steps, you'll be able to enhance your Pinterest feed and draw even more inspiration from the creators you admire. Thanks for joining me today, and happy pinning!